Everyone seems to like these tips and tricks, so here's a few more. These tips and tricks are really all about things that we kind of already know, and maybe we just need to get reminded, and some new things to think about. Here's one I hadn't thought of before. Maybe some of you have, but our dogs like to run around with us, and I have seen many a grower have their dogs ride in their utility vehicles, all that good stuff. One thing you got to think about, sometimes we don't want to put flea collars or flea medicine. I mean, they're farm dogs, what's the big deal? But they can actually track in or carry some things around the farm and take them back to your house. Chicken mites, it's not unusual to get chicken mites headed on to your, back to your house. So, something to think about. Take those flea collars and stuff, put them on your dog. Got another tip for you. The day I was out at Innovative Poultry Products, saw something that Chad didn't even tell us about, but as I'm cruising around this place, it's a bin lever. So you've actually got the bin door, he's got a lever, and you can actually come over here and then you can put it on the bend of the auger. So just to make that job a little easier, another tip and trick. At one of my customers' farms, noticed this in the equipment room. Many of you got some water running, but my buddy has actually put in a full-blown sink where you do a lot of stuff. So just a great idea, put a sink in here. And he's also gotten where he's got a line of spigot and has a nice full-blown hose reel with a nice hose that can not only hose out some things like that, but any type of equipment like that. So just saw this tip, thought, hey, might be something to give some of you an idea. Hope it helps. I hope those were a help. I loved some of those because it's crazy how creative people can be. But I want to ask you to send me your little tips. Take a video, shoot it to me. We don't have to tell who the video's from because some of you, I know, want your privacy. And I get it. And I can appreciate it. But I'd love to have it because if something can help another grower, it's what we're in this for, to help each other. So if there's anything I can do to help you, give me a holler at 1-800-608-3755 or email me, Alan@southlandorganics.com.